All right, first step, let's add a fusion composition. Make sure you have effects selected. Go down here on the toolbox and fill in fusion. You can now drag the fusion composition on top of your original background, which in my case was an auto-generated background from here, from Davinci Resolve itself. Now let's select the fusion composition and go to fusion. Now use the clip that you want to, drag it on the node align, and we need to add something in, which is a image plane 3D. So shift spacebar, search it, and then add it. Now it's added in, but we're not there just yet because we also need to add in a renderer 3D. So I'm going to add that one in as well. And now we need to connect it to the media out. Now, if you select this little dot right here, it will show on the right side. So I'm going to make sure that the image of the media in is going to be shown over here, which you can do by clicking that one. So the right one is for here, the left one is for here. Right, let's move on to the next part. So we're going to click the image plane 3D. We're going to click transform. I want to make sure that I'm on the first frame, and that's where we are going to set all these keyframes. So I'm going to set them here. Now I'm going to move forward. So I want this clip to last me around 4 seconds. So that is 100 frames because my timeline is 25 frames per second. And now I'm going to change the values of this. And then once you're satisfied, you'll need to smoothen out the transition. Now you need the spline menu for that. And if you can't see it, go to workspace, show panels in workspace, and then select spline. That will take up some real estate, but make sure that this is checked. And then we're going to click inside this box, Control A to select everything. Click S on your keyboard to smoothen everything out. And then once we've done that, let's go back to the edit tab and let's go back to the first frame. And now let me show you this clip. That looks like a great animation, and I'll see you guys next week.